Welcome everyone. Let me walk you through the brief workflow of VTU Activity Points Tracking System APTS student volunteering feature available on the campus.life app. This feature is designed to help students easily find, participate in, and track their volunteering activities in a simple and organized manner. Students first log into the app using their registered mobile number and verify it through an OTP sent to their registered email ID. After successful login, they will land on the home screen where they can see a live feed of student activities. From the bottom navigation bar, students need to click on the My Campus tab and then select the VTU tile. This will take them to the main volunteering section where all VTU related activities are available. The Events tile is the main section where students can explore all volunteering opportunities. Here, they can view, search, and filter events created by VTU coordinators, principals, or college coordinators. To join any event, students simply click on View Details. They will receive a unique join code for that event. They need to copy this code and paste it into the Enter Join Code field available on the VTU home screen to successfully enroll. Once a student joins an event, they can view it in the My Events section where all the events they have joined will be displayed. Now, go to any event to view the detailed information about that particular event. For attendance, a QR based system is used. At the event location, students scan the QR code to check in when they arrive and scan again to check out once the activity is completed. This ensures proper and accurate tracking of volunteering hours. Students can upload geotagged photos and videos of their volunteering activities. Geotagging helps in maintaining authenticity and confirms their presence at the location. They can also like and interact with posts shared by other students, making the platform more engaging and social. Students can invite their friends to join volunteering activities through WhatsApp, LinkedIn, X, and Instagram. In case of any technical issues, students can use the Quick Help feature to raise a request. Our support team will review and resolve the issue at the earliest. The volunteering journey section provides a complete summary of student activities. It shows total volunteering hours, activities completed, check-in and check-out timings, and location details. The instruction style contains important guidelines related to VTU norms, AICTE activity points, and compliance rules which students must follow. Overall, the VTU student volunteering feature on campus.life provides a smooth and transparent experience for students to participate in volunteering activities, track their contributions, and showcase their efforts effectively.